In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively abandon a pull request in Azure DevOps, a process that might sound complicated at first, but is actually quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. In Azure DevOps, there isn't an option to permanently delete a pull request. Instead, you can abandon it, which essentially means it's left inactive and will no longer clutter your list of active or open requests. Let's dive into the process and get started with the first step. You'll want to navigate to your Azure DevOps project. Once there, head over to the Repos section and then click on Pull Requests. This is where all your pull requests are organized, and each one will be listed for you to review and manage. Next, browse through the list until you find the specific pull request you'd like to abandon. Click on it to open the pull request in detail. This provides an overview of its status, the discussions that have taken place, and the changes proposed. It's always good to double-check here that you've selected the correct one before proceeding further. Now, look towards the top right corner of the pull request screen where you'll find the Complete button. But don't click it just yet. Instead, click the drop-down arrow next to it, which will reveal additional management options for you. Among these options, you'll see Abandon or Abandon Pull Request. This choice is what you need to move forward with the process of making sure this pull request is no longer active. Once you select Abandon, a prompt will ask you to confirm your decision to abandon the pull request. Think of this as a final check to make sure that you're certain about wanting to mark it as inactive. Confirming here means the pull request will gain an abandoned status and will disappear from the active or open pull requests list, keeping your workspace tidy and free from unnecessary clutter. There's an optional step you might want to consider afterward, especially if cleaning up is a priority. If the source branch from which this pull request originated is no longer needed, you can get rid of it too. For this, move over to the Repos section again, and then into Branches. Find the branch in question, and if you have the right permissions, you'll be able to delete it. This step can help maintain the cleanliness and organization of your repository. And there you have it. You now know how to effectively abandon a pull request in Azure DevOps. Following this process helps ensure your development environment remains focused and efficient, sparing you and your team from potential confusion or clutter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made managing your Azure DevOps project just a bit easier.